Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your contact list, pick the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and select edit. Now tap on add photo, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Then pick photos, select the picture that you want to apply. You can customize it however you like, and click on confirmation mark. Tap on save them, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime Jane will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.